So question 12 we have here, Kim and Tom ask some students if they prefer chemistry, biology or physics. Kim draws a bar for biology and physics on the bar chart. You can see biology and physics bar chart is here. Tom draws the sector for chemistry on the pie chart. So chemistry is drawn on the pie chart. Let's see what's the question. The question is, use the information from both diagrams to complete the bar chart. So we need to see from the bar chart. To complete the bar chart, what do you need? To fill this gap here, we need to know the frequency of the chemistry. So we will use pie chart to fill this information. Now as you see that chemistry angle is 120. So meaning that we need to have 120 against okay, so we can take the other part, sorry. So this total angle is 360 from here to here, and then if I subtract 120 from 360, we get here 240. So that means this is the angle for both bio and physics, right. So this total angle is 240, and then total of these frequencies here, if you see, we have this is 9 and this one here is 7. So total is 16. So we will take 240 against, we have, let me write here, angle and ratio number of students. We are taking both, like 240 for both physics and bio and physics. So same I am going to take on other side, that is 9 plus 7, it is 16, right. So now the angle for this one is 120 for chemistry, right. This was the both for both bio and physics, and this is for chemistry. So let's say the number of students for chemistry is x. Now we are going to multiply, cross multiply this. Then we get here x times 240 equals 16 times 120. So divide by 240, divide by 240, right. So this is gone. We have x equals to 12 times 2 and then 2 times 8 here. So x is 8. That x means this is the frequency for chemistry. So we will complete this here. The bar chart 8 we have here. Draw the line. Use your ruler to draw all these lines. Sorry, my line is not straight. So this is 8, right. So this is first part. Now let's move to second. Complete the pie chart. So to complete the pie chart, what do you need? We need an angle. So what angle? Angle for chemistry, right. Angle for chemistry is given already, and we are looking for angle for biology and for physics. Okay, so biology total of we have now this here the frequency which is 8, 9 and 7. So total of these frequencies is 8 plus 9, 17 plus 7 is 24. So we are talking out of 24. So first chemistry is already drawn. So we will start with bio. Bio we have this 9 frequency, 9 out of 24, and we are looking for out of 360. This will give us the angle. So when you calculate this, this is 135. Similarly for physics we have 7 out of 24 times 360. So when you calculate this, this comes out to be 105. So we got two angles, 105 and 135. So with that we are going to draw over here. So here this total was 240. So now we will draw it separately. So, if you place your protractor here and on this line or any line out of this, then you are going to draw angle of 135. Both are obtuse angles. So, I am just drawing a rough angle of that. So, this is, let us say this is 135 and this is going to be 105, right. So, that is how you are going to complete this pie chart, right. Now, next give one advantage of reading results from bar chart compared to the pie chart. So, bar charts are always like in detail information that gives you, and pie chart you have only the angle. So, we can write down here that bar chart gives, what is the advantage of bar chart? Bar chart gives the frequencies which is easy to actually understand, while pie chart only gives the proportions, while pie chart only provides the proportions. So, those from those proportion we cannot know the exact value directly, right. So, now number 13 we are given 2EF20 a linear sequence that has a term of 2 and a fourth term of 20. So, this is first term and this is the fourth term. Sorry. A term to term rule for this sequence is add k. Work out the value of E, F and k. So, now as you see there are how many, like 1, 2, 3 gaps here. So, meaning this 20, if I divide minus 20 and 2, we got 18. So, this 18 is gap of 3. So, we can divide 18 by 3, it is skipped by 3 times. So, we got 6. So, that means we are adding 6. So, the first term that we have is 2, then 2 plus 6 will be the second term, then 8 plus 6 is going to be the next term, 14, then 14 plus 6 you got 20. So, this proves that it is right. So, this is now our second term, which is E, and this 14 is F, right. So, E is 8, F is 14 and K we are adding, is at the by adding K. So, what we are adding here? We are adding 6. So, value of K is 6, right. These are the 4 terms of another sequence. So, this is the read carefully, these are the first 4 terms of another sequence, right. So, underline the keyword, this is another, not this one. So, 9, 7, 5, 3, find the nth value. So, first find out the difference, as you can see it is in decreasing. So, it is decreasing by 2. So, it is minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. So, that means it should be the nth term should be multiple of negative 2n, right. Then we see the first term is 9. So, if I add, if I take n1 is like for n equals to 1, this is minus 2 times it will be 1, 2, but we need 9. So, to have 9, what I need to do? I have to add here 11 to get value 9. So, that means this 2n, negative 2n plus 11 gives you 9. Let us say, does it work for second term? If n is 2, negative 2 times 2 plus 11. So, this is 4, 4 plus 11, it is 7. So, yes, it is 7. So, meaning our nth term is negative 2n, sorry guys, negative 2n plus, we can write it directly. So, the negative term we have 11, negative 2n plus 11, we can write it another way, 11 minus 2n, just making this negative term on the second, in the second term, right. Now, number 14, part A, P is 6A plus 5B, find the value of B when P is 25 and A is 3. So, we are given P is 6A, A is now 3 plus 5B 5, then B is no, we are finding the value of B. B we don't have, we just write B like that, and P we are given 25. So, this is 18 plus 5B, right. So, then shift 18 other side. Now, just the calculations here like this. So, 25 minus 18, it is 17 equals to 5B, then divide by 5, divide by 5. So, B is 17 over 5, that is 1.4. Now, make T the subject of the formula. So, we have W equals to K T plus Y, right. So, then W making T the subject. So, shift everything on other side whatever T has it with. W minus Y equals to K T. Now, we divide by K, divide by K. So, it is gone. So, you have W minus Y over K, right. Now, number 15, the equation of the line is y equals to negative 5x plus 7, write the gradient of this line. Now, if you compare this, this is of the form y equals to mx plus c. So, now by comparing this, this m is a gradient. So, gradient is negative 5. Find the coordinates of the point where the line crosses y axis. So, whenever line crosses y axis, so let us say it is like this. So, this is our x axis and this is our y axis. A line is crossing the y axis. So, this is the point. So, meaning here the value of x is 0. So, when x is 0, what will be y? So, y is going to be minus 5 into 0 plus 7. So, 7. So, the coordinates will be 0 and 7. Now, number 16. Sam spends $187 on electricity and gas. The ratio is this. Work out how much Sam spends on electricity. So, this electricity is 8 here, the gas is the ratio is 3. Okay. So, total is 11. So, we are looking for the electricity. So, electricity is going to be 8 out of 11, 8 plus 3, 11 times 187. So, just multiply and calculate, it comes out to be 136. Now, part B, J spends $180 on electricity and 150 on gas. Now, you are given how much is spent on electricity and then on gas. Write down the ratio in its simplest form. So, electricity is 180, I will put here 180, and ratio the gas is 150. Now, divide by 10, it gives you 18 over 15. Now, divide by 5, 6. Here we divide by 10. Now, you divide by 6, right? No, sorry, divide by 3. So, 3 times 6, 3 times 5. So, final answer is 10, 15, am I doing something wrong, 3, okay, this is 6, 3 times 6, yeah, 3 times 6, 3 times 5. So, final answer is 6 ratio 5. Okay. Now, Kate spends money on electricity and gas in the ratio. This is the ratio given. Write down an expression in terms of E and G for the fraction she spends on gas. So, we are looking actually for a fraction of gas out of total, right. So, fraction of gas, gas is G and the total is going to be E plus G, because we are looking for both. So, that will be the answer. Now, next 17 number question, Rick invests $6,000 for 5 years at the rate of 9% per year compound interest, right. So, this is our principal amount here, this is number of year and this is rate of interest, right. Calculate the interest earned during 5 years. So, we will directly use the compound interest formula, that is going to be value of investment will become 6001 plus r over, it is 9 over 100 power 5. So, we have the value of investment formula like this. Let me write here. Okay. So, this is 6000 into, this becomes 1.09 power 5. Just plug in all the values and you will directly get your answer. This is 9231.743. So, calculate the total interest. He is looking for the interest. So, this is the value of investment after 5 years. So, to calculate interest, we need to subtract this from the value of investment. So, 9231, this is the amount after the interest is added. So, we will subtract the principal amount from here to get what is the exact value of interest. So, we can write it down $3231.74. Now, number 18, a factory produces brass at a rate of 172 kilograms per hour. Convert this rate into grams per second. So, the rate of interest is 176 kilograms per hour. So, now we have to calculate the percentage. No, sorry, we have to calculate the rate into grams per second. So, 72, I am writing here directly, 72 kilograms per hour. Per hour means hours will come down here, right? And we need now grams. So, to convert from kilogram to gram, we will multiply by 1000, right? And we have 1 hour here, then we are dividing it by 60, from hours to minutes, then minutes to seconds. So, just calculate this, we have 47.7. Part B, the rate of interest is 276, the rate is increased to 176 kilograms per hour. Calculate the percentage increase. Previously it was 172, so we will first calculate the difference. To calculate the difference, we will have 176 minus 172, right. This started from the initial value, always take initial value in the fraction, 172 times 100. So, this is 4 over 172 times 100, this will be the percentage. So, it is 2.33. Now, number 19, write this in standard form. So, standard form, the decimal should come after one digit, numerical digit except 0. So, this should be between 0 and this number should be between 0 and 1 and 9. So, 3 we are shifting here, decimal is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are shifting it 8 right hand side, so it will become 10 raised to power negative 8. Now, calculate this, give your answer in standard form. So, we have here 3, I am just writing numbers only, then powers later, 10 power 6, 3 times 5 it is 15, 10 raised to power 10. But this is not a standard form. So, we need it as 1.5 into 10 raised to power, when we will add 1 here, that will become 10 power 11. Now, number 20, solve this. So, we need to find out, when I will solve means we looking for the value of x. So, x is 3 minus 3, that is 0. So, x is 0, 1 mark question, very straight away. 5y will be, just cross multiply here, 3, 8 times 3, y will be 24 over this 5. 24 over 5, you can either convert into decimal or you can leave it like that. So, 4.8. Now, simplify w this. So, you know that the formula is a power m. When there is a power outside, then it multiplies m times n, right. So, that is the formula of exponent. So, that we will use here 3 times 10, that is w power 30. Now, here we will use the formula again of the exponents. We have the formula, if we have a m times a n, base is same, powers different, then we add the powers m plus n, right. So, then we have here, first we will see the t is 6 plus 3, okay. Then we have v 7, when you add this will be like this, okay. So, then we have here t power 9 and v power 5. Now, number 22, in this question all lengths are in centimeters. The diagram shows right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. Write an expression in terms of x for the perimeter of the triangle. Now, what is perimeter? Perimeter is length around the shape. Is length around the shape, right? You know that. So, meaning we are going to add all the lengths. So, I am adding here all the lengths, that will give us perimeter. 2x minus 5, 2x plus 2, 4x minus 9, right. Combining like terms, 2x plus 2x, 4x, 4 plus 4, it is 8x, right. Then 5 minus this 9, 14 plus 2, it is 8x minus 12. The perimeter of the triangle is 40 centimeter. Work out the value of x. So, now this is the perimeter expression that we got. Now, we are given that perimeter is equals to 40, right. So, we just equate that and find the value of x. So, this is 40 plus 12, x is 52 over 8, comes out to be 6.5. Now, work out the area of the triangle. So, area of the triangle is the having formula 1 over 2 into base times height, right. So, now we will see base. What is base? Our base here is, from the question is, this is the base, right, and height is this one. So, we are going to substitute the value of x to get the base and height. So, base is 2x plus 2 and our x is 6.5, 2 times 6.5 plus 2. So, this is 15 centimeters. Then we have height. Height we have 2x minus 5, right. So, 2 times 6.5 minus 5, this is when you calculate it is 8 centimeters. So, now we are looking for the area. So, area is half times base times height. So, half times 15 times 8, this is 60. So, 60 centimeter square. Now, number 23, a sphere has radius 8 centimeter. Okay. We have a sphere, you know, sphere is a three-dimensional shape like this, and it has radius of 8 centimeter, okay. And a cone has radius 8 centimeter. There is another cone, another shape, conical. So, it has radius 8 centimeter again, and height is h. This is h. The sphere and cone have the same volume. So, their volume is same, right. Volume V1, V2 both are same. So, work out the height of the cone. So, we will write the formula that will be also given to you in the front page. Volume of cone equals to volume of sphere, right. So, volume of cone is 4 over 3 pi r cubed. Volume of sphere is Okay, I have written in the way, wait. Volume of cone is 1 over 3. Volume of cone is 1 over 3 pi r squared h. Volume of sphere is 4 over 3 pi r cube. Now make sure the radius that you have, but radius is same in both cases, so there is not like not a lot to worry. So r is 8, h 4 over 3 pi, r is again 8 cubed, right. So if you see from here, we are looking for h. Okay, so h is going to be, I am just writing it directly, pi 8 cube. Okay, then we have 1 over 3 pi 8 squared. So this pi and pi is cancelled, this 1 over 3 and 1 over 3 is going to cancel. So this will become 4 times, this is 8 squared, 8 square, this is 8 power 3. So we were left with only 1 8. So it is 32. Okay. So this is 4 marks question. Be careful while doing this to avoid unnecessary mistakes, then that will result to lose certain marks from here. So now number 24, the diagram shows the two right angle triangles. Calculate the value of D. This is 5 marks question. I guess this is the last question. Yeah. So you have to be careful doing calculations. Read instructions, whatever is given to you carefully. This is not to scale. That means these are not exactly the same, the ones that are written on the diagram. The diagram shows two right angle triangle. We have this right angle triangle ADB and DBC. The right angle is shown with this small square here. Calculate the value of D. Now, how will you start? So, you see you are given angle and right angle. So, meaning we will be using that angles of the trigonometry. We have this formula SOHCAHTOA, right? You know that. Okay. So, we will take one triangle first. If we take this length here, this length is common in both of them. So, if we find out this one, then we will be able to do something here. So, I will start with the first triangle. I am taking in triangle ADB, this triangle here. Okay. So, this is right angle. So, we have this is the base, right. For this is base, this is hypotenuse, this is perpendicular, right. So, we can find out ABD from here. Okay. So, in this triangle, hypotenuse is AB square equals to AD square plus BD square. Okay. AB is 14.7, AD 10.8. From here we will be able to find out BD. Okay. So, then we have BD square is 14.7 minus 10.8 and BD will become 14.7 minus 10.8 square, sorry I missed a square here, and then square root. Okay. It is 9.972 meters. Okay. So, now we will take, we got 9.972. Okay. So, I am writing it to 3 decimal places, I mean 3 significant figures, 9.97. We got this B D. Okay. So, now in triangle, other triangle DBC, we have we can use this one here. We are looking for D, actually we need to involve D. D is now opposite, this is opposite, and adjacent is going to be this one, this is adjacent for this triangle ABC. Okay. DBC, sorry. So, then we have tan 52 is equal to D over 9.97. So, D is tan 52 degrees 9.97. So when you calculate, this is 12.76. To three significant figures, it will be 12.8. So that's it. 12.8 meters you are already given there. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you understood everything. Let me know in the comment section how do you like the video, and which next video you want me to do. Thank you so much for your support. Kindly subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Be blessed, guys. See you in the next video.